You know that feeling when September arrives and everything suddenly starts to feel festive. That's because Swadesi Mela. Yes, Swadesi Mela, September 11th to September 13th. And this year, it promises to be bigger, brighter, and more exciting than ever. For 3 wonderful days, you won't simply be visitor, you will be part of the family. And this isn't just another weekend event. Swadesi Mela is one of the country's largest celebrations of Indian art, handicrafts, textiles, food, music, fashion, and culture. So mark your calendars September 11th through September 13th from 11 am to 10 pm at the Mall of India parking lot right here in Naperville. And the music lineup this year is truly amazing. On September 11th, playback sensation Anup Ruvens will perform live on stage. Then on September 12th, Indian Idol winner Rishi Singh will bring his incredible voice and energy to Naperville. 2 nights, 2 amazing performers, and unforgettable music under the open sky. Enjoy more than 30 cultural performances and explore over 100 exhibitors offering everything from hand-woven textiles and jewelry to beautiful clothing, handicrafts, and home decor. You will get to meet incredibly talented handicrafts and handloom artisans, each helping preserve traditions that have been passed down through generations. And make sure you come hungry. With so many food stalls, you can enjoy a wide variety of delicious foods from across India. From sizzling street food and regional favorites to traditional sweets and refreshing drinks. It's flavorful journey through India all in one place. There will be also multiple activities and entertainment for children. So bring the entire family. Now get ready for one of the biggest highlights of Swadesi Mela 2026. Naperville will welcome one of the Indian cinema's most celebrated filmmakers, Madhur Bhandarkar. Yes, National Award-winning filmmaker and director known for some of the Bollywood's most powerful and memorable films, joins us as a guest of honor for the fashion walk featuring beautiful creations by renowned designer Rosie Ahluwalia. You will have the chance to meet him in person. It will be an amazing mix of cinema, creativity, fashions, and Indian culture, all coming together on one grand stage. And there is one more attraction that is especially close to our hearts this year, Sari Shakti. Sari Shakti is a celebration of the strength, grace, confidence, and timeless beauty of Indian women, brought to life through a special sari walk unlike anything we have presented before. Experience the signature saris, weaves, and draping traditions of India's many states and regions, from north to south and east to west. Every sari will tell its own story of heritage, artistry, tradition, and culture pride. Tickets are available now at special early purchases. So save the dates, call your friends, gather your family, and come experience the colors, flavors, traditions, and heart of India right here in Naperville. Come shop, come savor, come celebrate with us. This is Swadesi Mela 2026, the Festival of India. We can't wait to see you there.